Hey, I'm Rodrigo Gibson and welcome to Easy Web Apps with AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful drag and drop game. It's great to practice with your students or just create games for your children or anyone. Complete it, play again. So this is what the app does, and you can shuffle the words as well. And I'm going to show you too how you can add or take words away, but basically you can add as many as you want. So the first thing we're going to do is, in this case, in this instance, we're going to use Claude. Claude is just like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Let's go to Claude. This is my prompt. I'm going to leave the prompt as well down in the description, and you can change it as you want. You can add like 10, 12, 8, however many you want. And I've already done it here, so there's not much I can show you at the moment, but after you input the prompt, it's gonna tell you here what the game features are, this design elements, easy customization, and so on. And this is what we are presented with right here. So the game is on the right side of the screen, and also you can click here and you can see the code behind it. Let's see. Oh, come on, it's not working now. Oh, there we go. It's a bit slow. So don't worry about the code. You don't need to code. I'm just going to show you an area where you have to modify if you want to change the words and anything you want to add, like opposites, definitions, verbs, whatever game you want to create in this format, drag and drop. You can do it just with one code file, which I'm going to show you how to do. So first of all, we're going to, after you get the code, you're going to download the code. So here it says download as HTML. You're going to download that, and we're going to download it to wherever. I'm going to click save. I've already done that. I'm going to do that. Right. You save the file. I recommend you save the file if you're going to be, I'm sure you're going to continue to build more apps with me on this channel. So create a folder on your desktop or wherever you want and keep them all there. So after we do that, I recommend downloading Visual Studio by Microsoft. It's a free HTML editor. It's really nice because it's colorful and you can read the code pretty quickly, or pretty easily. So, and don't worry about coding. This is a no code tutorial, and I'm going to bring up Visual Studio. So what you're going to do, I'm going to close this. I'm going to show you from scratch. You're going to go File, Open File, and you're going to, it's right here. So this is the file. Don't get overwhelmed by all the code. All you have to do, if you want to modify the words, or if you want to add more words, or just modify the content that people see on the app, you come here to this area that says word pairs for the game. And that's where you're going to change, add, modify, whatever you want. Now let's try quickly here. Let's change, or let's actually add. If you copy one line, highlight one line, including that comma at the end, copy, just press enter for another line and just paste that, and we can put another word here, like for example affordable, and immediately the app suggests a synonym, because we're talking about synonyms. So it's quite smart as well. It's quite intelligent. So you click on that, inexpensive. So we've added another word pair. So we Control S or save, and then we can go to the folder, to the actual file. So here's the file. So I'm going to double click because I've already saved it, and it's going to open right here. So as you can see, we've added affordable. Remember, we did that, affordable, and inexpensive. It's right there. So there you go. Pretty simple. So copy I'm going to leave the prompt down in the description, and also if you want the actual HTML code, let me know in the comment section. But after, you just saw how long it takes. It takes a few minutes, couple of minutes to do all that. So it's quite simple, honestly. So you didn't have to code anything. So in the prompt, as I said, I want to play like a game of synonyms. So they came up with the synonyms, but you can change them, add them. You can create opposites. As I mentioned before, I usually use Google Gemini. So if you want to watch a video on how, with the same prompt, a very similar prompt to what Google Gemini spits out, watch a video that's going to appear here soon. If you want to see how I create a memory game with words or memory game with photos, with pictures, like association of words and pictures, check the other video as well. It's going to appear here, or subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss that video when it comes out, if it hasn't come out yet at the moment of the posting of this video. And this channel at the time of this video is not monetized, and if you want to pitch in, if you're getting value, if you're learning something, I've got a link here for you to, if you want to buy me a coffee. And that's it. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Let me know down below what other apps you want me to help you with, to give you a quick tutorial about, and we'll be building simple, but also we'll be adding complexity to some of the apps in the upcoming videos. So we're going to create a collection of games and web apps that you can use with your students, with your family, with your kids, or whoever. So I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.